and the current characteristic of silicon controlled rectifier. Okay, take note that this is now the cathode. Okay, then this is now the known as the latching current, holding current, you know, from here and then going back there, it is known as the holding current. And then upon the moving up, it is also the latching current. Okay, this is the reverse blocking, forward blocking mode, forward leakage current. Okay, so you will observe later, and you must know, take note that you must know how to answer this, because it is required here. How much is the holding current based on your graph? Okay, based on your graph. Then this one, then the latching current also, you need to answer that. It depends on your answer also of your graph. Okay, so this is now the link for your FALSTAD. Okay, I hope that you are using your laptop now or computer, or I don't know if it is possible for your cell phone or mobile phone. Okay, so this is now the I will get this. Okay, then I will copy to your uh, chat room. Okay, it would be better. It is now in your chat room. Okay, did you see now in your chat room? This is the link. Okay, so please participate and open now the PALSTAD simulation. So after you click the link, you are now in this simulation. Okay, so we will start to do the circuit diagram. So our circuit diagram, it is like this. Okay, it is like this. So if it is difficult for you to do like this, it would be better if you will do like this. But if you don't know how to do like this, the gate it is in the left side, you can do also the gate it is in the right side. It's up to you. As I told you, you can do which is the gate in the left side or the gate it is in the right side. Okay, from here, from the PulseStud simulation, you will go to full screen version. Did you see this full screen version? I know you know already because we performed it already in experiment number 1. And then go to blank circuit.
New
Okay,
blanket.
blank circuit. Then what is SCR? It is in the form of active or passive. It is in the form of active
Passive.
component. This
Active.
is
Active.
passive component. This is active component, right?
Active component.
Okay, very good. This is active component, and then active component, it is diode, Zener diode, transistor, MOSFET, JFET, SCR. Okay, so SCR, it is in the form of active component. So this is now our SCR. You will drag it down. So this is our SCR. Okay, this is our SCR. Okay, don't leave your mouse, and if you will turn left, you are already there. Okay, okay, try it. For example, this one, down, and then, okay, down. You can go left, you can go right. Okay, don't remove the your mouse, huh? You can go with left, you can go with right. Okay, like this. After you make it down, go to left. Okay, did you follow, class? Please answer me, yes or no? Can you
Let's try
follow?
Yes.
again, again.
Yes. Yes.
Again. Okay, again, brother, going down. Don't remove touching your mouse. and then you move left, going left. Okay?
Okay, clear.
Okay, clear. Thank you. Okay, all of you, I hope that you are all in the left side. Okay? Then we need a resistor. Okay? Draw, add a resistor. So we have a resistor here. Okay, resistor, and then another resistor also here. Okay. Okay, two resistors, and then add wire. Okay, from here, add wire. Then here we need a voltage. Okay, draw input and sources. It is in DC. Okay, so this is now our two terminal. So going up, should be going up, brother, because of the polarity. Okay, positive and negative. Okay, then add wire. You have to add wire. This is voltage dissipation. Okay, add wire here. Okay, should be, make sure it is connected. Then also potentiometer. We need potentiometer. What is potentiometer? It is in a form of passive component, potentiometer. Okay. So passive component here, we need potentiometer. Did you see this potentiometer? It is in a form of passive component, potentiometer. Okay. Then drag here. Okay. Here. Like this. So better. Okay. Okay, like this. Okay, then add wire. Okay, add wire. And then we have another wire. Okay, another wire, and then voltage source or the voltage supply. So input and source, we will go to voltage from here down going up. So that the polarity will be positive to negative. If you want to check, so that we will check the voltage dissipation, we will add wire here for the voltage dissipation. Okay, voltage dissipation here. Okay, and then another wire here. Okay, another wire here. Okay, so this is now the connection of our circuit diagram. So we will change this value 1K. We will change it, edit component. We will make it as 100 ohms. Value is 100 ohms. Click OK. Then this is your BG, right? Now this is the potentiometer. Okay, edit. Okay, 1K, it's okay. Now voltage source, and then this, right click, edit, show the voltage, click OK, and then here, okay, edit, then show the voltage. Okay, so that we will monitor what is the voltage here. Okay, now we will run. Did you see? Any question, class? So this
Yes,
is the
sir.
voltage source. This is the voltage source, and then this is the voltage gain or voltage of your gate. Okay, voltage supply here, and this is the voltage of gate. Okay. Now, first thing to do, class. So you are all here. You are with me.
Yes,
Okay,
teacher.
anyway, class, it has been recorded, so no problem because it has been recorded. Huh? Okay, so first thing to do from here, go to file or to edit. Go to edit, make it visible. Okay, center circuit. Okay, it is now in the center circuit. Then, what is the procedure here? Okay. What is the procedure here? In your table, okay, from here, make sure that the BG is equal to 0. Okay, 0, and then what is the value for? So we will start at 0, 0, 0, all 0. Okay, 0 here, and then 0 also here. Okay, voltage A is 0 and then 0 also. What will happen? So from our circuit stated that if this is equal to 0, so 0 volt, we will start to 0. Okay, then this one is equal to 0 also. Okay, we will start from 0, 0. What will happen? So it's all equal to 0, meaning from here at 2 volts, at 0 volt, voltage source is 0, voltage A is equal to 0, the current A is also 0, okay? At BG equal to 0 and voltage source is 2, what will happen? So we will go now here, okay? At 2 volts, meaning this is 0, right? He said here, voltage with gate, it is equal to 0, and then the voltage source equal to 2. So we will change now the voltage equal to 2, this one. Okay, so we will edit, then make it 2. Okay, this we will make this as 2, and then click OK. Then we will run. So did you see 2 volts now here? So what is the reading? So our reading here, it is, you will see here the reading. So you just put your mouse here. Did you see your mouse here? And all reading, it's all here. Did you see in this area? In this area, you will find what is the reading here. Okay, I repeat. What is important from us, it is to get the voltage A, okay, voltage sub A, okay, voltage AC, it is stated there, voltage AC, and then the current A, okay, current sub A, which is the current sub A, it is 903.885 nano ampere, okay, and then the voltage AC, we have 998, okay, 998.87 millivolt, okay. So that is the important to consider. So meaning to say that here, your answer here is how much? 998.87. Okay. This is 87. What is a unit? Millivolt. Okay. This is millivolt. Then how much is the current? current is 903.88. Okay, 88 nano. This is nano, very small, nano ampere. Okay. The next, we will change this to, okay, we will change this to 4 volts. Okay. This change, edit, we will change this to 4 volts. Then click OK. Then run. So what is the answer? So project to SCR, and then what is your IA? So your IA is 1.87 microampere. Okay, it is in microampere, and then 1.99 is your BAC. Okay, so we will record. So from here, what is your answer here? It is 1.99, okay, volt.
Teacher.
And here, but I want your answer in handwriting, okay? And here it is 1.87 microampere, okay? Microampere. So this is now at 4 volts. No, this should be in 4 volts. Okay. So this is now in 4 volts. Six volts rather. With respect to 6 volts, we need to write it 6 volts. What is our reading there, by the way? Should 4 volts. We will change this. It's a small error. So edit. We will make this as 6 volts. Okay. So 6 volts, at 6 volts, then click OK, run. Okay. So our answer here at 6 volts, okay, at 6 volts it is 2.99. For our voltage AC, it is 2.996 volts. And then for voltage A, it is 2.848. Okay. So here, yeah, a small correction class. So it is with 6. So the answer here is 2.99. Okay, 2.99. And then here it is 2.84. Okay, 2.84 microampere. Okay, the next reading. Next
Teacher,
reading.
4.4.
Yes.
4.84.
Yeah, 84. 2.84 here. It is 2.84.
Teacher,
Okay. Okay, class. 2.84. Then here it is 2.99. Then here, at 10 volts, voltage source is 10 volts. So we will change this to right click, edit. We will change this to 10 volts. So at 10 volts, what is our reading? Okay. So project here, what is our reading? Our IA at 10 volts supply, it is IA is 4.82 microampere. And then the voltage AC, it is 4.99. Okay, 4.899 here. Okay, so we will write the answer here. So for example, here it is 4.99. Okay, volts. Then the current here, it is 4.82. 4.82. Okay. 4.82. Then at 16 volts, this is now your task. Okay. 16 volts, you need to perform this and show the answer because so that I will evaluate you if you do your task. Okay. So at 16 volts and 20 volts. Okay, here. So you need to give your answer here. Okay. So 16 volts and 20 volts. So from your attendance here, okay, I will give your task. So Abdul, I will check your answer here.
Yes.
Okay, I will evaluate and of course you take a snipping tools or screenshot for this at 16 volt. Okay, 16 volt for you. Also, okay, 16 volt for you, brother. Even this one,
This is for source, right?
Abdullah, 16.
Teacher.
Yeah, because I just want to
This is
evaluate if you do it
for
your
about the
task.
gigs.
Okay, 16. And then 16 volts also for you. And then for Mohammed Ahmed, 20 volts. 20, 20, 20, 20 volt. But you need to complete all, huh? Still, you need to complete all the requirements there. Okay? So, you just continue. You just continue what is the task here because I give already the equivalent answer here. Okay? Now, in your graph, of course, I want to see clearly about your answer here. Did you see? We will project here as far as the voltage A is concerned. Okay? The voltage A. So, for example, okay, I will doing the table, of course. It would be better if like this, okay? For example, this is considered as 0. So we will make it as a small ink, okay? So this red. Okay, for example, this is 0. Did you see this is a 0? Then, of course, if this is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? And then, if you will use this as 1 micro or milli, for example, this is 1 milli. Okay, this is, for example, 1 milliampere. If this is 1 milliampere, so this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 milliampere. Up to 10 milliampere, for example, 10. Okay? You have 10 milliampere. Okay. Take note that before milli, you have a micro. Microampere first before the milli. Because as you've noticed, we have in the form of this with respect to 0. So, as what is our reading, before the 1 milli, you have started from 200, for example, 200 microampere, 400 microampere, 600 microampere, 800 microampere before 1 milliampere. Okay? So meaning from here, okay? So from from our table, did you see our table here? So we have a data before. We have a reading here. This is 299 or 998.87 millivolt, and this is 903.88 nanoampere. And then what is stated here? What is stated here? We will try to make it in the graph. Okay. Okay. So from here, from your graph. Okay, from your graph. Okay, take note about the value, and then we are now in this graph. So, okay, from here, I will try to explain it so that you will understand here. So, considering that this is the zero, so you just explain it or you just write it exactly. Okay, this is a zero. So, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And then at this time, the voltage, it is equivalent to how many volts? 998, okay, milliampere. 998 volts rather. 998 millivolts. So meaning before 1 volt, it is the 998 here, something here. Okay, something here. So I will use other ink so that you will see. For example, this blue. Okay, here. Okay, then next is 2.99 volts. So 1, 2, 2.99 is something here. 2.99. Then 4.99. This is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.99 something here. Okay. So then the next it is you just follow what is here, but what is my answer here? It is 7.99. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.99 is something here, and then this is 8, 9, and then the next is 9.99, for example, is something here. Okay, for those who are the assigned, it is the assigned task. It is here. So meaning, so before 1, if this is 1 milliampere, if this is 1 milliampere, okay, you will start it first to micro. This is in microampere. So for example, 200, 400, 600, 800 before 1 milliampere here. Okay. The next, if you will project the line, okay, projecting the line, for example, if you will project this line, it looks like this. It become like this. You will project this line. This is now what happened to the direction of our reading. Okay. The next reading that we have, it is the voltage with respect to the gate. So we need to trigger. So we have already this answer. Take note about this, okay? Because I cannot save it, but instead we can you just take note about this, that this is now our answer here. Okay. Anyway, it has been recorded as I told you. This is 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. So this is the initial reading that we have. The second reading that we have will go like this, so that our reading, what is expected graph, it should become like this. and then going up. Okay, so from here we will go with the arrow dot, only dot. We're just projecting it like this, and then it will follow with our next graph. So we will start from here. It will follow with going up like this. So this is actually the expected value. So we have already the reading from here, and then what is the reading up, we will do it by the next reading. Okay, as I told you, this is already finished, and then we will do the second reading for this. Okay, so this is your reference. So I will off again. So we will proceed to our second reading. So it is stated here in our circuit that we need to change, or from 0, what is here, it is equal to 0. So we will change the voltage with 2. So voltage gain is equal to 2. Click OK. Then we will start here from voltage source equal to 2 volts. For example, it is 2 volts. So we have 2 volts here. So 2 volts, and then we have also 2 volts here. Okay, 2 volts and 2 volts, meaning it triggers already the SCR. It's now in operation mode. Okay, so if we will drag your mouse here, you have the answer for the current, which is current A equal to 472.182 microampere. Okay, then what is our 2 volts here? It is, what is our BCC rather? It is 400, this 400 here. The answer is here, huh? 409.773 millivolt. Okay, so you just follow what is here, so that I will observe also if you will perform it individually, because I don't write this time in the table about the answer, but you should know what is now the correct answer there. So at voltage gain 2, then change it again to, what is next? Change it to 4 volts. Okay, we will change this to 4 volt. What will happen? So run. So from here, what is the IA? IA is 1.232 milliampere, and then the voltage, it is 459.4 millivolt. Okay, so take note about the data, then change it again. Next is 6 volts. Okay, at 6 volts, what is the reading? Okay, at 6 volts, what is the reading here? Okay, I just want to check if you will do it, and I will give you task for this. At 6, what is the reading here? Current A is 2.002. Okay, and then voltage AC, it is 484. So meaning I will put your answer here, so that you need to answer it by your own. Okay, I will give the answer for 6 volts, and I will not write the answer for number 2 and number 4 there, so that I will check if you know how to perform this using Falstad simulation. So at VA, at 6 volts, we have 484.76. Okay, what is a unit? It is in millivolt. What is the current at 6? We have 2.012. What is the unit? Milliampere. Okay. Now, next reading that we have. So of course at 6, then we will change this to 10. Okay, right click, edit, we change this to 10. Okay, we change this to 10 and then click OK. So run, it is there 10. What is our reading here? As we've noticed at 10, your current is 3.588 milliampere, and then voltage AC, it is 514.7. Okay, so you have the answer here. So next reading that we have, for example, at 14 volts here. So let's say I change this to 14. What is our reading? So class, our reading with respect to 14 volt source, we have the current of 5.173 milliampere, and then the voltage AC is 533.639 millivolt. Okay, then next we will change this to let's say 16. Okay, we change this to 16. Okay, then click OK. So the answer here for 14, you have the current A as 5.967 milliampere. Okay, then at voltage AC, you have 541.035. So I will write this one so that you have a reference that you are doing the correct. You are in the correct. You follow the correct task. Okay. At 16, what is VA? It is 541. 541.035. Okay. What is a unit? Millivolt. Okay, this is millivolt. And then the current, it is 5.967 milliampere. Okay, so you have 4 tasks here at 2 volts. Okay, 2 volts, 4 volts, 10 volts, and 20 volts. Okay. Okay, you need to answer this. So what I'm going to do now, at 20 volts, of course, you need to answer 16, 20, you need to have answer here and then perform the graph, okay? Then from here, let's say I change the voltage source as 20, okay? At 20 volts here, at 20 volts, what will happen? So this is our reading. At 20 volts, we have voltage A equal to 553.272 millivolt. And then the current, it is 7.557 milliampere. Okay? So take note about this. Anyway, I repeat, it has been recorded. So you just watch it again for you to follow the instruction. Okay? So from here, considering that you have already the complete data here, okay, then I will give you the complete instruction from here, and then of course you should know how much is the holding current. The holding current class, it is stated here that the holding current, it is this one. The holding current will be how much is the current in this point. And then how much is the current in this point. Okay, did you see? This is the holding current and the latching current. Okay, we will go to the graph so that you will not confuse, and it is what you're going to do regarding the graph. So as I told you before, so I will use my pencil. Okay, so considering that this is the current A with respect to voltage A. So this is now, for example, your 0. So I will use my ink. So let's say, for example, I will use blue now, blue here. So this is 0, okay? Just listen it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, okay? With respect to current A, so I will evaluate also if you will listen to me or not, okay? So if this is 1 milliampere, okay, if this is 1 milliampere, before we will go to 1 milliampere, it will start from here. It is start from microampere. So considering that there are 5, so this is 0, then this is 200 microampere, 400 microampere, 600 microampere, 800 microampere before 1 milliampere. So this is your 2 milliampere, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? As what is stated there in our reading, start from 0, then what is our reading there? It is our VA is 998.87 millivolt, meaning something here, and then wait, I will change the ink. Okay, ink of my pen. For example, here, this is the 998.87 millivolt, and then with respect to 9 nano, only here, nano, small here. Something here, for example, a little bit lower, okay? Then at 2 volts, this is 2 volts, it is 998, almost 998 again here, something here. 998 and then 9.88 nano ampere. And then next is 1.99 here, 1.99 something here, okay, approximately here. Then okay, then 2.99 at 6 volts. So 2.99. So at 6 volts, 2.99, this one. At 6 volts is 2.99. 1 and 2, 2.99 and 2.84 microampere. At 10 volts, you have 4.99. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.99, something here. Okay, and then the current, with respect to current, it is in terms of microampere. Very small also, microampere here. 4.82 microampere. And then at 16, you have 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7.99, something here. Okay. Okay, 7.99 volts with respect to 7.792 microampere. Okay, very small. Okay, then at 20 you have 9.9 with respect to current of 9.77. So it looks like this. So if we will project this, of course, from 0, from 0, we have a line of this, if you will project. So maybe like this, up to 10. Okay. Then we have a projected line. Okay. So for example, this is our projected line. So small line going to only in microampere because it is in still in microampere 472. Okay, what is our initial reading there? It is 492. So you put a dotted arrow like this connecting for the end part of this. So this is actually the launching current. Okay. So it is stated here that the BG is 2 volts. At 2 volts, the voltage gain is 2 volts. We have a reading of BA of, let's say this one again, red. At BA, we have 409.77 millivolt. Okay. So 4.77, so meaning around here. And then the current is 472.17. It's around here. Okay, this is the first reading around here. Okay, the next at 4 volts, it is 497. Okay, 497 is still, and then the current is 1.2 milliampere. This is 1 milliampere. It's about something here. Okay, something here. And then at 6 volts, what is your reading at 6 volts? You have 484. This is 484 with respect to 484.76 millivolt with respect to current of 2.12. This is 1, 2, okay, this is 1 rather, 1, this is 1, okay, 1, 2, this is wrong. I will erase this, okay, because our first reading, okay, erase this. I want to erase this. Oh, how to erase this? It will not erase. Okay, done. Okay, so our first reading, it is here. Our second reading is 1.2. So our next reading, it is here. If this is 1, this is 1.2. 1.232 milliampere, this one. Okay. Then at 6 volts, it is 484.76, then 2. This is 2. 2.12 at here. Something here. Okay. Something here. Then at 514.7 millivolt, the equivalent is 3.88 milliampere. So this is 1, 2, 3, 3.588. 3.588, something here. Okay. Okay. Then next reading at 16, you have again 541 here, and then the current, it is 5.967. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.967. 5.967 is something around here. Okay, maybe here. Okay, then next at 20 volts. Okay, at 20 volts, your VA is 533. So this is at the middle here, of course, at the middle. And then going to the current of 7.557 milliampere. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.5576 milliampere. Okay, something here. Okay, so when you project this, it become like this. So I want to see exactly your graphing. So it will be like this. So this is now known as the, okay, we are looking for this, okay. How much is the current? You will measure from here, starting point from here, and also from here. Okay, that is the equivalent. Okay, so any question, class? So I want to see exactly what is your reading. And then, for example, okay, so another task, it is the number 2, 2, 4, 10, and 20. Okay, 2, 4, 10, and 20. 2, 4, 10, and 20.